Hi students, I hope you all are doing fine. Let's discuss few questions on number and letter analogies. Let's look at the first question. Find the missing term. To solve these kind of questions, the first term, the relation between the first term and the second term should be same as the relation between the third term and the fourth term. So let's look at the relation between the first and the second term. You can see ఇక్కడ మనం చూడొచ్చు marine, the letters are similar here. Let's look at the relation between them, the logic behind this. M A R I N and E. ఇప్పుడు దీన్ని ఈచ్ దాన్ని ఒక నంబర్ తో డినోట్ చేద్దాం. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. ఇక్కడ చూడొచ్చు మనం AI E N R M. ఇక్కడ M which is the first, R which is the third, and N which is the fifth, E which is sixth, I which is fourth, and A is 1. A is 2. ఇక్కడ మనం చూడొచ్చు all the odd terms are written to the right end starting from 1, then 3 and 5th. ఇక్కడ మళ్ళీ left end లో it is starting with the even numbers. Same will apply to the third term, which is disguise, DISGUIS and E. Similarly, the 1, this is 1, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Odd term ni right hand lo రాసుకుందాం, even ni left hand లో. First let's start with the even terms. I G I E. Next odd, starting with the largest odd number 7, which is S, then 5 which is U, then S and D. We can see the same option is this is in the third option. The third option is the missing term. Let's look at the next question. D E P R L, and the second term is L R P E E and D. ఇక్కడ మనం క్లియర్లీ చూడొచ్చు this is the same word is written in the reverse order, DEPRL. The similar logic will be applied to the third term, which is pocket. In the reverse order, T will start with T, then E, K, C, O and P. This is in the option 3, and third option is the missing term. Let's look at the third question. T S U A P O Q and W. ఇక్కడ మనం చూడొచ్చు T, which is the place value of T is 20, 20 minus 4 is 16, then the place value of P is 16, hence T minus 4 is P. The place value of S is 19, 19 minus 4 is O, which is 15, this is also minus 4. U, 21 minus 4 which is 17, and the place value of Q is 17. Similarly, A minus 4 which is W. Let's apply the same logic to the third term. F minus 4, 6 minus 4 which is 2, which is B. I minus 4, 9 minus 4, which is 5, which is E. J minus 4, 10 minus 4, which is 6. H minus 4, which is D. B, E, F, D is in the option 4, and option 4 is the missing term. Let's look at the next question. Let's look at the logic behind the first and the second term. ఇక్కడ మనం క్లియర్లీ చూడొచ్చు L plus 1 is M, W plus 1 is X, similarly E plus 1 is F, and K plus 1 is also L. Let's look at the third term. A plus 1 is B, R plus 1 is S, Z plus 1 is A, and P plus 1 is Q. This is in the option 3, and hence third is the missing term. Let's look at the next question. Event E, V, E, and T. R, D, and V. E, 5 into 1, the place value of E is 5, 5 into 1 is 5, and the place value is also 5. V, 22 into 2, which is 44, and the place value, the 44th letter is R. E into 3, which is 5 into 3, which is 15, and the place value of O is 15. 14 into 4, which is 56, and the 56th letter is D. T, which is 20 into 5. The place value of the 100th letter is V. Let's apply the same logic to the third term. T, W, X, E, and D. T into 1, 20 into 1, which is 20, which is T. W, 23 into 2, which is 46. The place value of 46 is T. X, which is 24 into 3, which is 72, and the 72nd letter is also T. E, the place value of E, which is 5, 5 into 4, which is 20, which is also T. And D, the place value of D is 4, 4 into 5 is also, T. Hence, the fourth option is the missing term. Let's move on to the sixth question. Here, let's first look at the logic of the each letter. P minus 6 is J. The place value of P is 16, and 16 into 2 is 32, and 3 is written to the left of P, and 2 is written to the right of P. Similarly, the place value of J is 10, 10 into 2 is 20, and 2 is written to the left of J, and 0 is written to the right of J. Let's apply the same logic to the third term. R minus 6, which is 18 minus 6 is 12, which is L. The place value of L is 12. 12 into 2 is 24. 2 is written to the left of L, and 4 is written to the right of L. Hence, the fourth option is the missing term. Let's move on to the next question. Seventh question. ఇక్కడ మనం చూడొచ్చు మ్యాప్ ఇక్కడ 3 లెటర్ వర్డ్ కానీ ఇక్కడ 6 లెటర్ వర్డ్. సో మనం ఈచ్ పేర్ ని డివైడ్ చేద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ 2 మళ్ళీ నెక్స్ట్ 2 పేర్ ఇంకా ఎన్ఆర్ ని మళ్ళీ 3 పేర్స్ డివైడ్ చేద్దాం. M K and O. K minus 2 is M minus 2 is K. M plus 2 is O. Similarly, A minus 2. A minus 2 is Y. And A plus 2 is C. P minus 2 is N. And P plus 2 is R. Let's apply the same logic to the third term. Y. Y minus 2 is W. Y plus 2 is A. E. E minus 2 which is C. E plus 2 which is G. N. N minus 2 is L. N plus 2 is P. Hence this is given in the first option. The first option is the missing term. Let's look at the next question, the 8th question. BCD. Here we can clearly see that the place value of B is 2. Similarly, the place value of C is 3 and the place value of D is 4. Hence the place 6 is the place value of F. G is the place value of 7 is G and the place value of